After plugging in the power cable, the Android head unit does not boot up. There is a black screen on the head unit. Also, the panel light is not on. Let's check if the radio fuse has burned out first. If you have a flathead screwdriver, you also can pry the fuse out. There is a blown fuse, so the head unit won't turn on. We may have found the problem. I replaced a new fuse and then tested again. Now the head unit is booted up. That's great, now the head unit works well.